Hello everyone, Lucas here from KLIM. Today we're going to be talking about our 3 hot, lightweight adventure gloves, okay? We just redesigned these in 2019 and 2020, and these are perfect for almost all weather adventure riding. We could be talking about the Badlands Gore-Tex long glove, which is insulated, more for heavy duty, crazy weather. We could be talking about Vanguard touring gloves, but these are specific for adventure riding, and they're all short gloves. And none of them are insulated, and they do extremely well in warmer weather, okay? On my left here, this first one is the Adventure Gore-Tex Short. Came out in 2019, and this is basically our most temperature neutral glove. What I mean by that is in hot weather, it's pretty good. In normal temperate weather, it's really good. In colder weather, it's also okay. So this thing is gonna span probably our widest range of temperatures in gloves. It's very thin leather with a lining inside of it, with a moisture wicking lining inside of it, so there's no insulation and there's no additional ventilation. Okay, so this goes back to that temperature neutral thing I was talking about. It's extremely well articulated. You can see this patterning here gives us this kind of pre-curved design to go on top of the handlebars. Then we have this knuckle padding on the side here and some finger padding. And one of my favorite things in gloves is this palm pad here. When you fall, you often fall like this, and this takes the brunt of the impact and the abrasion and everything. So basically the bottom line with these gloves is they're super flexible, super mobile. They're thin, so they give you a nice feel on the controls without adding a bunch of bulk and make you feel kind of numb with the bars. But at the same time, they offer a lot of protection. Okay, so these are CE KP1 rated. They're good to go for all kinds of road riding. And they're really solid general use adventure gloves. Okay, in the middle we have kind of our burly, heavy duty, hot weather adventure glove. This is the Badlands Aero Pro. And as you can see, we have this huge knuckle pad here, just like with the Adventure Gore-Tex Short. These are carbon fiber with a ceramic print on the front of them, so very abrasion resistant, very impact resistant. Both of these gloves have XRD impact absorbing foam behind the knuckle pads, so lots of protection on both of these gloves. And then on the palm here, you can see we have this huge perforated area where air is going to flow through. The front has perforations, so air is going to flow through it, but we still have our knuckle and our palm protection here. So this is our super burly, heavy duty, high impact, high abrasion kind of warm weather adventure glove, hot weather adventure glove. So what you can do is you can pair this Badlands Aero Pro with the Badlands Gore-Tex long glove, which is a gauntlet glove with insulation, and you kind of have both extremes covered, okay? Again, we have this pre-curved design that I mentioned with the Adventure short gloves, so you get great control and feedback on the handlebars. Now, this is probably my favorite adventure glove that we make. This is the Baja S4, and this is kind of a more flexible, a little bit lighter version or category of hot weather adventure gloves from the Badlands Aero Pro. So here we have way more flexible knuckle protection. This knuckle pad design was actually kind of derived from luxury vehicle grills. So it's got a lot of airflow properties, bringing air in to your knuckles. Again, perforated palm areas here, but we don't have the same carbon fiber protection that we have on the Badlands Aero Pro. So a little bit less protection, more flexible comfort, but we still have the palm pad, the knuckle padding, the finger padding to give you some very solid street protection. So these are kind of our almost dual sport friendly adventure gloves. These are more street friendly than the Dakar Pro gloves that used to be kind of almost an adventure glove. These are kind of taking another step on top of the Dakar Pro gloves. And all together here we have a solid stretch of lightweight adventure gloves. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Till next time.